Hey guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to create a greeting card using Microsoft Publisher. So first, let us open Microsoft Publisher. Now as you can see, Microsoft Publisher has a bunch of pre-made or built-in templates which gives ample number of choice for our need. You will see some icons showing popular publication types like certificates, banners, brochures, business cards, and so on. So let's scroll down until we find the greeting cards template and click it once. From the list of types of greeting cards at the top, you can see there birthday. These are the birthday cards, the holiday cards, cards for occasions and events, and the thank you cards. But today, we'll be creating a birthday card. So, we'll be clicking this folder, the all birthday folder, so it can show us the different styles for the birthday templates. So, as you can see, there are a lot of styles that we can choose from. So, there are different templates. Today, I'll be using this template, the birthday 8 template. So at the right side of your screen, you can see a preview of your card where you can also change the color scheme, the font scheme, and the page size. But to keep it simple, we're just going to use the default settings. So let's click create and start creating our greeting card. So as you can see, this is the first page of our card, the front page of our card. And then look at the left side of your screen. This is our page navigation tab where you can see the pages that we're been working on with. So there is page 1, page 2 and 3, and then page 4. So first, let's customize this page 1. So to customize our page, we can change the position of the picture, or we can also change the position of our text. So we just choose the text box, click the text box, and drag it to where you want it to be. So I'm just putting it here at the bottom part of the cake. I don't want to include this, so I'll just going to click the box and then press delete box and this picture and this shape. So I'm just going to edit the text by going to the text box tools that can be found at the top part of my toolbar, and then change the type of text into this one, and then I'm going to change the size of my text so that it can be more presentable, and then change the font size and font style through the font ribbon. So I'll be using this kind of font style, the Anime Ace font style. So I'm just going to write the name of the celebrant to make it more personalized. So happy birthday, Ma'am Diane. And then I adjusted the position of the cake by click and dragging it to the place that I want it to be. And then I can also change the size, make it a little bit bigger by clicking and dragging. We're done with the first page. So let's go to page 2 and page 3. So as you can see, there's a blue outline here. Don't worry, it's just a guideline. This guideline tells us that we should not exceed outside this margin. So since our page 2 is too blank, I want to insert a picture. So how do we do that? So go to the Insert tab, and then you can choose either from pictures or online pictures. So I'm just going to click these pictures and choose a file from my computer. So pictures and then birthday, and you can choose the picture that you want to insert in your card, this picture, and click insert. As you can see, it is already there in the card, so we need to position it on page 2. We're just going to click and drag and release. So if you want to change again the size of your picture, go to the border and then click and drag until to the size that you want it to be. So there, happy birthday. Maybe I need to make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There. So it occupies the second page. Happy birthday. There. And on the third page, you can see the message that you want to express to the celebrant. Since it is too small, I want to change the size again by highlighting the text and going to the font ribbon. So let's change first the style of the text. I want it a little bit bigger, so I'll be choosing Dicky Jumbo, and then make it a little bit larger. There. And adjust the size of your text box so it can fit in there. So be sure that you will not go beyond the guideline or the outline. And also the second box, text box, you just click and resize the text box so that your font or the text will fit in. So again, I'll be changing the font style, which is DK, and then change the size into font size 20. There. Older, yes, but also wiser and more wonderful. Happy birthday. You can also add another picture here, but for me, this side is okay already. So as you can see, our page 2 is done. Also our page 3. Now let's go to page 4, which is the back part of our card. As you can see here, there's a text written here, made especially for you by, and you can put here your name as Miss Lanusa. I can also change the size and the style of the font if you like, or you can also add another picture. So let's go again to insert, tab, click pictures, and then look for the picture that you want to insert, like this, and adjust the size of your picture. So there you have it. So again, let's go back to page 1. Here's my page 2 and page 3 and my page 4. To see the finished product or the finished card, you can just go to the print preview, and there it will flash the 4 sides of your card. So there. So again, on page 4, I've changed the name of the card, made by Miss Lanusa, and I added a clip art on my last page. So that's it. That's how you create a birthday card using Microsoft Publisher. Now, if you have enough time, you can make another greeting card of your choice. That's the end. Thank you, guys.